Hey everyone, welcome back to Need It Now. Today we're showcasing the best Ninja products, innovations that don't just simplify cooking, they completely transform the way you experience your kitchen. Each piece is crafted to deliver speed, power, and creativity, setting a new standard for modern living. Before we begin, hit subscribe and join our community of gadget lovers. Give this video a thumbs up to support our work, and share your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. And if something catches your eye, you'll find all the links neatly organized in the description below. Stay tuned, because the Ninja lineup we're about to reveal will change the way you see everyday tasks. Meet the Ninja JC151, NeverClog, the cold-pressed juicer designed to turn tough ingredients into rich, flavorful juice with zero interruptions. Its powerful motor and slow-press technology unlock every drop, while the pulp control system gives you full choice between silky, smooth, or refreshingly textured juice. Simple one-touch programs make it effortless to start or reverse, and the drip-stop lever keeps your counter spotless. Compact enough to fit under your cabinets, yet strong enough to deliver professional results, it's built for everyday use. Dishwasher-safe parts mean cleaning takes minutes, not hours. And today, this upgrade to your mornings can be yours for just $149.99. Turn your kitchen into an ice cream shop with the Ninja Swirl by CREAMi, a 13-in-1 machine that creates everything from classic scoops to silky soft serve at the push of a button. With 6 extra soft serve programs, you can whip fruit, blend frozen yogurt, or craft lighter high-protein treats that feel indulgent but fit your lifestyle. Add your favorite mix-ins, chocolate, nuts, fruit, and watch your creations swirl to life. Cleanup is effortless with dishwasher-safe parts, making every family night sweet and simple. Bring home this swirl of fun and flavor today for only $348.79. Experience blending redefined with the Ninja Detect Power Blender Pro. Its 1800-watt motor tackles the toughest ingredients, while Smart Blend Sense technology adjusts speed and time automatically for consistently smooth results. The 72-ounce pitcher is perfect for family-size smoothies, while the 2 personal cups let you take your creations on the go. Precision blades crush ice, chop vegetables, and handle sauces with ease, giving you total versatility in one machine. Cleanup is effortless with dishwasher-safe parts, so every blend ends stress-free. And right now, this powerhouse can be yours for just $179.99. Say goodbye to greasy meals and hello to crispy perfection with the Ninja Pro XL 7-in-1 air fryer. Its Max Crisp technology blasts food with heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, delivering wings, fries, and veggies that are golden, crunchy, and guilt-free. With 7 versatile functions, from roasting to dehydrating, you can create endless recipes in one compact design. The XL 6.5-quart basket holds up to 9 pounds of chicken wings or 5 pounds of fries, making it perfect for family feasts. Non-stick, dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup effortless, so flavor always wins. And today, this kitchen upgrade is waiting for you at just $159.99. Elevate every cup with the Ninja DualBrew Pro, the coffee maker that does it all. Single serve, carafe, hot or iced. Brew faster than leading pod machines, choose from 13 sizes, and create rich specialty drinks with the built-in frother. Its independent hot water system keeps flavors pure while giving you soups, tea, or cocoa on demand. And at just $239.99, it brings the cafe experience straight to your counter. Keep every adventure fresh with the Ninja FrostVault 30-quart cooler. Its insulated FrostVault drawer separates drinks from food, keeping everything safe, dry, and under 40 degrees for days. With room for up to 48 cans and premium ice retention, it's built for non-stop fun outdoors. All-terrain wheels and a reinforced telescopic handle make transport effortless, while its rugged build and 3 inches of insulation promise lasting durability. Forget digging through melted ice. Quick access means your favorites are always within reach. And right now, this ultimate cooler can be yours for just $229.95. Unleash your creativity with the Ninja Total Crushing Kitchen System, built to handle everything from frozen drinks to homemade dough. With 5 smart programs, it blends, chops, and extracts at the touch of a button, removing all guesswork. The 72-ounce pitcher is perfect for family batches, while the 8-cup processor bowl preps veggies or kneads up to 2 pounds of dough with ease. Take your smoothies on the go in the single-serve cups, and rely on Ninja's stacked blades to crush ice into snow in seconds. Dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup simple, and this powerhouse is available now for just $149.99. Refresh your routine with the Ninja Thirsty, the personalized hydration system that transforms plain water into sparkling, flavorful drinks in seconds. Choose still or 3 levels of fizz. Adjust the flavor strength and pick your perfect size, from a small glass to a full liter. Mix 2 flavors for endless combinations, creating beverages you'll never find on store shelves. Its sleek, compact design fits any kitchen, while each flavor drop makes up to 20 drinks, saving you money and space. And with faster dispensing than the original Thirsty, every sip feels instantly satisfying. This upgrade to hydration is yours for only $179.99. Bring the cafe experience home with the Ninja Luxe Cafe Premier, a 3-in-1 system that delivers espresso, drip coffee, and cold brew at the touch of a button. Guided barista technology takes out the guesswork, adjusting grind size, dose, temperature, and pressure for perfect results every time. A built-in conical grinder offers 25 precise settings, while the dual frothing system creates rich microfoam, hot or cold, for cappuccinos, lattes, or espresso martinis. With assisted tamping, balanced extraction, and smart storage for every accessory, this machine blends elegance with performance. And today, it can be yours for $599. Turn every backyard gathering into a feast with the Ninja Artisan Outdoor Pizza Oven. In just 3 minutes, enjoy a 12-inch Neapolitan pizza with perfectly blistered crust and gooey cheese. No turning needed. With 5 pizza styles, plus bake, broil, warm, and proof functions. It's built for versatility and fun. Take outdoor cooking higher for only $249.95. Bring the party to life with the Ninja Slushie, the frozen drink machine that transforms any liquid into smooth, icy perfection. Its rapid chill technology freezes evenly without ice, turning wine, juice, coffee, or soda into refreshing slushies that stay frozen for up to 12 hours. With 5 preset programs, you can craft margaritas, frappes, and frozen cocktails at the touch of a button, or adjust texture and temperature for your perfect sip. Even sugar-free recipes become flawless with simple hacks. The 88-ounce vessel is easy to fill, clean, and keeps the fun flowing all night. Elevate every gathering with endless frozen creations for just $349. Cook smarter with the Ninja DZ302 Dual Zone Air Fryer. 2 independent baskets let you prepare mains and sides at the same time, while Smart Finish ensures both are ready together. With 6 functions, XL 10-quart capacity, and up to 75% less fat, family meals are faster, crispier, and healthier. All this innovation can be yours for just $206.99. Transform your kitchen into a powerhouse with the Ninja Mega Kitchen System. Its 1500-watt motor crushes ice into snow in seconds, creating velvety smoothies, creamy frappes, and frozen drinks with ease. The 72-ounce total crushing pitcher handles family-sized batches, while the 8-cup food processor bowl chops evenly and kneads up to 2 pounds of dough in just 30 seconds. Perfect for fresh pizza or bread anytime. For quick, personalized blends, the 16-ounce Nutri-Ninja Cup with a to-go lid lets you take smoothies and juices on the run. Each specialized blade, dough, chopping, and extractor delivers precise results for every recipe, while dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup quick and easy. Elevate your everyday cooking and entertaining with this all-in-one system, available now for $193. Enjoy coffee your way with the Ninja Pod and Grounds Coffee Maker. Brew with pods for convenience or grounds for full flavor. In sizes from a small cup to a 24-ounce travel mug. Choose from 4 styles: classic, rich, over ice, or specialty. And craft lattes, cappuccinos, or macchiatos with the built-in frother. All this versatility is yours for only $109.99. Discover freedom in cooking with the Ninja Crispy 4-in-1 portable air fryer, a compact system that delivers the power of a full-sized fryer right in your hands. Its clean, crisp glass containers let you cook, serve, and store safely, with sizes perfect for a quick personal meal or a 4-pound chicken with veggies. Choose from Max Crisp, Bake, Air Fry, or Re-Crisp for golden, delicious results every time. Leak-proof lids keep food secure on the go, while nesting parts make storage effortless. Dishwasher-safe glass and accessories mean cleanup is as smooth as cooking. Elevate your everyday meals with this versatile system, available now for $179.95. Reimagine family cooking with the Ninja Smart Double Oven, a 12-in-1 system designed to save time and unlock endless possibilities. Its flex door creates 2 independent ovens, so you can cook snacks up top or full meals in both zones at once. Flavor Seal keeps aromas from crossing, while Smart Finish syncs both ovens, so dishes are ready together. The leave-in thermometer ensures precision without effort, and rapid convection delivers meals up to 65% faster than a traditional oven. With room for a pizza and 6 pounds of wings at the same time, dinner for the whole family has never been easier. This kitchen revolution is yours for just $279.99. Transform your mornings with the Ninja Specialty Coffee Maker. Choose from 4 brew styles and 6 sizes, from a single cup to a full carafe. Craft rich concentrates for lattes, cappuccinos, or iced coffee that never tastes watered down. With its fold-away frother, permanent filter, and removable reservoir, this versatile machine can be yours for $179.99. Upgrade your kitchen with the Ninja Foodie Power Blender System, built to crush, slice, and blend with precision. Its 1600-watt motor and smart torque deliver unstoppable power for smoothie bowls, nut butters, and frozen blends without stalling. With 7 auto IQ programs, variable speed control, and dishwasher-safe parts, it adapts to every recipe. All this versatility is yours for $199.95. Take refreshment anywhere with the Ninja FrostVault Go Backpack Cooler. Its cold, dry zone keeps food fresh and separate, while premium insulation holds ice up to 24 hours. The leak-proof lid, padded straps, and durable build make it adventure-ready, and the built-in opener adds instant convenience. Own this all-day cooler for just $199.99. Cook with total confidence using the Ninja Pro Chef wireless meat thermometer. Engineered to handle up to 700 degrees Fahrenheit, it's flare-up resistant, waterproof, and built for every cooking style: grilling, roasting, smoking, or air frying. Get live updates from 165 feet away, so you can prep sides while your main cooks perfectly. With a sleek charging case and 30-hour battery life, precision is always at your fingertips. Elevate every meal for just $99.95. Blend anywhere with the Ninja Blast Max Portable Blender. Its cordless Power Blast technology delivers the strength of a full-sized blender, crushing ice and frozen fruit with ease. The 22-ounce twist and go vessel detaches in seconds, so you can blend, twist, and carry your smoothie on the spot. With 3 smart programs, a rechargeable base, and dishwasher-safe parts, it's the ultimate blend of freedom and power. Yours for just $99.95. Elevate your cooking with the Ninja Toaster Oven Air Fryer, a 13-in-1 powerhouse that sears, crisps, bakes, and more. Dual heat technology delivers cast iron style searing and rapid air circulation for golden results every time. With a smart thermometer, family-sized capacity, and flip-away design to save counter space, it redefines versatility in the kitchen. Yours today for $449.99. Reclaim your counter space without sacrificing power with the Ninja Double Stack XL Smart Air Fryer. Its unique stacked design is 40% slimmer than traditional two-basket models, yet doubles your cooking capacity, letting you prepare 4 foods at once with independent controls. The Smart Cook system uses a built-in thermometer to guarantee perfect doneness, while Smart Finish and Match Cook features keep meals synced and ready together. With 2 removable stacked racks, you can crisp wings, roast veggies, and bake sides all at the same time, offering 6 versatile functions and up to 75% less fat than deep frying. It's built for healthier family feasts. And this all-in-one solution is available now for $269.99. Transform every slice with the Ninja Foodie Never Dull Premium Knife System. Forged from German stainless steel, these 17 precision knives are rust-resistant, perfectly balanced, and razor-sharp for effortless chopping, slicing, and carving. The ergonomic handles feel like an extension of your hand, while full tang construction ensures professional durability. Built into the sleek storage block, Never Dull technology restores blades to peak sharpness in seconds, keeping them sharper than new for over a decade. Just swipe the lever and the stone wheel does the work, eliminating the frustration of dull knives forever. Complete with premium steak knives and a stylish block, this professional set is yours for $399.99. Reinvent outdoor cooking with the Ninja FlexFlame, a 5-in-1 system that grills, smokes, roasts, griddles, and even bakes pizzas. Powered by electricity and propane, it combines precision burner control with cyclonic heat IQ technology for faster, even cooking and unmatched flavor. With 424 square inches of space, you can fit ribs, steaks, burgers, or whole chickens with ease, while the high-velocity convection fan locks in juiciness and crisp perfection. Roast tender meats up to 35% faster and customize your setup with pizza stones or griddle plates for endless variety. Built tough in stainless steel, this FlexFlame transforms backyard gatherings into gourmet experiences, and it's yours for $999.99.